Hey guys, so I got this package last week and I still haven't opened it, so we're gonna do that together. I already know what it is. All right, it's stuff that I ordered. It's not, for my local customers. It's my stuff. But I am taking a vacation in a few weeks, so everything that's in here is for my vacation. I personally like to tie fragrances with an experience, just so that it reminds me of it, So for example, last year, my family and I took a trip to Arizona. It was a beautiful vacation, kids, we had a pool, beautiful, right? All the fragrances or all the products that I took, the fragrance was Make a Splash. So now every time I smell Make a Splash, it reminds me of Arizona. Okay, so now everything in this box is going to be the same fragrance, except for one thing, because I couldn't get it in that same fragrance, but I got something similar, okay? So the fragrance is Blue Grotto. So I am going somewhere where it has water, obviously, right? But I'm gonna wait and to tell you guys where exactly I'm going. Oops, and I just dropped one. So let me take this paper out. So first thing first, hotel rooms can be stinky, okay? I don't care how clean they are, they can be stinky. So I always travel with my mini wall fan diffuser, okay? So I obviously got the pods. It comes with two. And I just dropped it. Hold on. All right, so my Scentsy Fresh. Again, I couldn't get it in the Blue Grotto, or I didn't have it in a Blue Grotto, so I did get Fiji water, Fiji flower, which is something similar, right? So that's the only thing that's different. And yes, I'm putting all of this in the luggage. I'm taking everything. And the travel twist. These are perfect for our luggages. If you haven't opened or had why is it stuck? There you go. A travel twist, you need it, okay? Again, you just open it depending on how much fragrance, full blast, throw it in the luggage. You're coming back with stinky clothes. Perfect, okay? So I got a total of 7, all for the siblings, all the airplane buddies. There's one more. All right, so all of my travel buddies, my siblings, all have their own travel twist. And again, with the same fragrance. It's just special when you smell a special fragrance and it's just like, hey, that reminds me of a person. That reminds me of a trip. So this is what I'm doing with this scent. So we leave in just a few weeks. And I'm ready. I'm gonna decorate these and put like a little sticker, a little note for them. But yeah, we're ready. Let's travel. But yeah, that's my unboxing video. If you have a special fragrance that it reminds me of something or someone, let me know what it is. I'm really interested. I know I'm not the only one that does this. And this is what I love about Scentsy. It just lights up everything with the scent, right? But that's it for now. Bye, guys.